To fix, a connection to the remote computer could not be established in Windows 11. Right-click on the Start and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Now uninstall every adapter that starts with WA and Miniport. Once all of them have been removed, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall all the missing Miniport drivers. If they still don't appear, click on Start and restart your computer. After Windows boots up, try connecting to your VPN again. If the problem is still not fixed, right-click on the Start button and select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your VPN adapter and select Properties. Under the list of networking components, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Then click OK to save the changes. Now disconnect and reconnect your VPN, then check if the connection to the remote computer is established successfully. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.